Morning children. Today in this video we are going to learn about the earth movements. The lithosphere means katkolangal is broken into a number of plates known as the lithospheric plates. Lithospheric plates means katkola tagadugal. Each plate oceanic or continental moves independently over the atmosphere. Atmosphere means upper layer of the Earth's mantle below the lithosphere, in which there is relatively low resistance to plastic flow and convection is thought to occur. The movement of the Earth's lithospheric plates is termed as tectonic movements. Tectonic movements means a natural event that involves a change in the position or location of something. The energy required to move these plates is produced by the internal heat of the earth. Internal means utpuramana. These plates move in different directions at different speed. Look at the picture. Lithospheric plates, katkola tagadugal. Oceanic crust. Crust means மேல் ஓடு. Trench means அகழி. Volcanic arc. Continental crust. Lithosphere. Astrosphere means is a part of the mantle that flows and moves the plates of the earth. At places, these plates move away from each other, creating wide rifts. Wide rifts means பரந்த பிளவு on the earth's surface. At some places, these plates come closer and collide. Collide means மோதுதல். When an oceanic plate collides with a continental plate, the denser oceanic plate is forced below the continental plate. Forced means தள்ளுதல். As a result of a pressure from above, the rocks heats up and melt. Melt means உருகுதல். The molten rocks, உருகிய பாறைகள், rise again, forming volcanic mountains along the continental edge. Alternatively, a trench means அகழி, may be formed between two plates. Between means இடையில். In some cases, when two continental plates converge, neither plate can be forced under the other. Instead, folds means மடிப்புகள் may be created. Created means உண்டாக்குதல். Great mountain ranges like the Himalayas means இமயமலை have been formed in this way. The movement of these plates causes changes on the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth means எர்த்தினுடைய மேற்பரத்தில். The earth movements are divided on the basis of the forces which cause them. The forces which act in the interior means உட்புறம் of the earth are called as endogenic forces, and the forces that work on the surface of the earth are called as exogenic forces. Exogenic forces means வெளிப்புற சக்திகள். Endogenic forces sometimes produce sudden movements and at the other times produce slow movements. Sudden movements like earthquakes means நிலநடுக்கம், and volcanoes means எரிமலை cause mass destructions means பேரழிவுகள் over the surface of the earth. Next, earthquake, a sudden movement of a portion of the earth's crust which produces a shaking or trembling means நடுக்கம் is known as an earthquake. Earthquakes may cause widespread damage to life and property. Widespread means பரந்த அளவில், to life வாழ்க்கை முறையிலும், property சொத்துக்களிலும். The point where these vibrations originate means உருவாகுகிற இடம் is called the focus of the earthquake. The point of the earth's surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter of the earthquake. From the focus, the earthquake vibrations travel in different directions. Directions means திசைகள். In the form of seismic waves. Seismic waves means நில அதிர்வு அலைகள். The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. அந்த நில அதிர்வு அலைகளை அளக்கின்ற கருவி seismograph. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. The numbers on this scale range from 0 to 9. Causes of earthquake. Causes means விளைவுகள். The chief cause of earthquake is a sudden slipping of the portion of the earth's crust along fractures or faults. The movement of the molten rocks. Molten rocks உருகின பாறைகள் underneath the surface produce strains which break the rocks apart. அதனால் பாறைகள் உடைகிறது. The sudden shifting of a landmass causes upheavals in the crust of the earth, sending vibrations. Vibrations means அதிர்வுகள் or waves. Waves means அலைகள் into the surrounding portions of the earth. Sometimes the surface of the earth itself cracks. Another cause of earthquake is volcanic activity. A violent or explosive eruption often means அடிக்கடி causes the earth in its vicinity means near to quake. Earthquakes are often common in most volcanic areas.